Haley Shook was an undergraduate student at the University of Arizona who played soccer there, and she was hit by a car. She suffered an injury to her foot, to the metatarsals, and fortunately she was able to get back to playing soccer, but she still had pain in her foot. It was an admitted liability case. When we went down to the mediation, we had evaluated the case. We thought it was worth about $200,000. They offered $100,000, which we felt was inadequate.
I thought that our daughter's case was not a huge case, and Casey Gary, he treated us like it was. They realized that it was very traumatic what she went through, and that she definitely deserved to be heard.
Robert agreed to step in and try the case with Tom Penfield. They did a focus group, and it was very helpful because at the focus group there were certain things the focus group did not like about the case, and there were certain things they did like. And based on that focus group, they restructured the approach.
Haley had surgery, but she had problems afterwards that somehow needed to be well demonstrated to the jury. So what I suggested during the trial is that an elmo be put on the floor, and we asked her to put her foot on the elmo and then extend or bring her foot up. It was enabled the jury to see the deformity that was there and why she was having problems, and to understand that this was something that would be lifelong for her.
Tom and Robert worked really well together. They both had different personalities, which really worked.
When Tom is in trial, he simplifies the issues. He brings the issues into the present tense, and he's very effective at communication.
Tom is just low-key, very efficient, gets the job done, and it makes it a lot of fun.
Robert is very good in cross-examination. He's relentless. He's kind of like a pit bull, and what he likes to do is to prove his case out of the mouth of the defense experts, and that's really what he did in this case. I will tell you, it's a great thing when you have a defendant, in this case, really lowball us, and they were a little bit arrogant about it.
From what they first offered before we went to court was nothing compared to what we received.
The verdict was over 4.5 times what the offer was.
It definitely gives me peace of mind that for Haley's future, her medical needs, at least for this injury, are taken care of.
I'm very proud of Tom and Robert. This was a wonderful result for a deserving client.